फ्रेंड्स, आज हम वापस बात करेंगे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ओएलएस एस्टिमेटर ब्लू गॉस मार्कov थ्योरम की। ये एक नेचुरल कंटिन्यूशन है आफ्टर वी हैव डिराइव्ड द ओएलएस एस्टिमेटर इन वॉल्यूम 4। आप वॉल्यूम 3 और वॉल्यूम 4 को वापस देख सकते हैं जिससे आपको इसके बारे में बैक टू बैक रिवीजन हो जाए। वेलकम बैक टू IISM Academy. I am Dr. Ajay Bhatia, and in volume 4-5 of our econometric series, we'll understand key reason why we use OLS estimator in the statistical properties, including the famous Gauss-Markov theorem. Students, already we have covered a major part in third and fourth volume, but now you can understand in this section we will again revise a classical linear regression model, their properties, not in detail, you can see in the volume 3 to prove that OLS estimator are blue. We have to understand that OLS estimator are blue. Note that OLS estimator is blue when we rely on 5 key assumptions. We have already discussed 7 assumptions. Here we will talk about 5 assumptions. First, linearity in parameters. Second, random sampling. We have already discussed in volume 3. You can go through and check it out. Third, no perfect multiclonarity. Students, very important topic for competition paper. And fourth, zero mean of error. Again, ui upon xi error is always equal to 0. Fifth property is homogeneity, that is the constant variance of ui. All this property make an important assumption for linear regression. We denote this set as classical linear regression model, that is CLRM. Dear students, this is the extension part what we have learned in volume 3 and volume 4. Now, what is blue? In short, we are understanding what is blue. Blue means, B means best, L means linear, U means unbiased, and E is the estimators. Students, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो आप हमें सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, IIS अकेडमी को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए जिससे मैं आगे ये वीडियोस कंटिन्यू कर पाऊँ. Students, it will take a time for our econometric series. Stay connected with our econometric series. OS estimators are blue under this CLRM assumption. And now what is the Gauss-Markov theorem prove? Gauss-Markov theorem क्या प्रूव करता है? बेसिकली Gauss-Markov theorem प्रूव करता है कि प्रूविंग अनबायस ऑफ OLS. Let us take the OLS slope estimator. Again we take the OLS slope estimator which we have taken in volume 4. In our video we have proved that beta 1 is equal to summation xi minus x bar multiplied by yi minus y bar whole divided by summation xi minus x bar whole square. Now when we plug yi equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 xi plus ui into this formula, the simplification, after you simplify it, the expected value of beta 1 will be equal to beta 1. These prove that OLS is unbiased estimator. Student, you have to understand this topic for more important topics. Again, we have to prove that minimum variance proof idea. All the linear unbiased estimator OLS has the minimum variance that we have already discussed in volume 3. Hence, it is the best estimator. When the variance is minimized, then it is called a best estimator. This we can show by calculating the variance of beta 1 and comparing it with any other linear unbiased estimator. आप वेरिएंस निकालिए और किसी और के साथ भी कंपेयर करिए. We will see that the conclusion will be the OLS has the lowest variance when when homodicity holds. Now, if we conclude why this matter, because we all love OLS estimator. OLS estimator is easy to compute, but it gives the best unbiased, linear unbiased estimators under the mild assumptions. So students, now volume 2, volume 3 and volume 4, 5, we have continually done thus classical linear regression model. In the next volume, we will explore the goodness of it, that how well our model explain the variation in y using r square and adjusted r square. Thank you very much. If you like our video, please comment, subscribe